Hey guys, what's up? I'm Olivia and welcome back to my channel, LivsCrafts. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make two different photo frames out of popsicle sticks. One with large popsicle sticks and one with the regular size popsicle sticks. I know this video is already pretty long, but I just wanted to say whenever you see or hear the word decorate, to decorate the frames however you want. What I do is just a suggestion, and you can do whatever you want with these frames. Put real photos in them. I just put photos that were aesthetically pleasing to me in them. So yeah, so do what you want with these frames, and without further ado, let's get into the video. This one, you're going to start with the large popsicle sticks, and basically the way that I'm shaping them is to form a heart in the corner. You'll see I outline it, but you're basically putting two sticks on the bottom and two on the top, kind of like I'm doing here. Then of course you're going to glue the sticks down. I recommend doing the second gluing method that I have here. Don't exactly put the glue on the top stick and try to expect it to be on the bottom stick, because chances are it won't be there. Trust me, I failed. I had to redo this. So do this instead. Do the bottom sticks with glue and then put the top stick on top of the glue. It works a lot better, trust me. So from there, I'm just decorating the front of the frame, and I had to, you can decorate the whole thing first and then do the back, or you can do what I did, which is do like one coat of paint, let it dry, finish the back, and then continue the front, which I had to let the paint dry before I could do anything else to the front. So yeah, you guys can decorate the frames however you would like. This is just what I'm doing. So I'm taking a brush and I am using it to make like a little spongy effect, for like to blend kind of the pink and the yellow together, but I'm not like super blending them. So I don't even know what the pattern's called, but you can see what I'm doing here. Then once everything is dry on the front, you are going to trace the frame like this, and this is going to give you the size of the back pocket that we're making, so that we can slip photos in and out of the back, so we can have a pocket that we can change photos. So basically I'm just tracing the frame and then I'm cutting it out. I don't know why I cut it out in such a weird way, but you're going to end up cutting off those corner pieces too into just a square. So then you're going to fold three sides of the square. I used a scrap piece of paper, which is why you see the ink there. But you're going to fold these three sides to make a pocket, and then you're going to want to check it in the frame. You don't want those little folds to be seen through your frame. Like you can see in mine, I had to fold because they were seen in the front, because those will still be seen. The picture will not cover that. So I had to refold and remeasure and adjust, and then after you complete that, you're going to glue the corners of the pockets on the bottom down So like you're gonna fold, or you're gonna glue the folds together, if that makes sense. You can see what I'm doing here. And then of course, after you do that, you're going to glue it to the frame. After the pocket is finished, you can continue decorating, or if you would like, I would recommend putting the string or chain or whatever you're going to use to make this so that it can hang. I recommend gluing that on the back first, but you can continue decorating and then let it dry and then do the string. But I am using this like pearly string. I ended up having to change it because every time I tried to hang it, it wouldn't stay even on both sides. It was leaning to the left. So you're gonna hot glue this down as well. And then another thing that I did was I put a dab of hot glue on the bottom of the frame so that if the frame touches the wall, it won't scratch your wall and ruin the paint or whatever you have on your wall. And then after you do this, you're done with your first frame, and then you're going to move into your second frame with the smaller sticks. So for this one, you're going to need a total of 8 sticks, and you're going to put 2 on each of the sides. So you're going to have 4 on the bottom, and then you're going to have 4 sticks laying across the top. And you're going to kind of do it like I did so that the bottoms and the tops of these sticks don't show through, like the bottom sticks don't show through in the corners to the top sticks like I'm doing here. And then of course you're going to glue your sticks down, of course using the second method of gluing that I showed you earlier, gluing the bottom sticks and then putting the top sticks on top. From here, I moved on to decorating the front of the frame. So all I'm doing is I'm coating it in a layer of Mod Podge, and then I am just putting a whole lot of glitter on it. So that's all I'm doing to decorate this frame. You guys can of course decorate the frames however you like. Although if you are doing glitter, I recommend that after this dries, after you put the glitter on, to put another coat of like Mod Podge on, because it helps the glitter stay in place and it won't like fall all over your floor. And of course, after that dries, you're gonna make the same kind of pocket that you did in the first frame. So you're just gonna trace your frame trace your frame and then fold the pockets over, or fold the sides over, and then you'll have a little pocket for the back. Of course, glue the bottom corners together and then glue that pocket on the back of your frame. And then after you finish gluing the pocket on the back, make sure you glue a string or something of that sort to make this a hanger on the back. And then again, I'm putting the dot in the middle of the bottom, so in case this touches the wall, it won't scratch the wall. And after that, you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please participate in the poll in the top corner. It's a small one saying what DIY you would like to see next, because I know I have not been able to enable the comments down below. So please take part in the poll. It would help me out a lot. And yeah, I hope to see you back next time on my channel. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!